What part or provisions of the latest proposed bill on anti-road rage are somehow not covered in the existing criminal and penal code and current traffic rules and regulations? So wonders the Senate President aloud over this latest legislative proposition covering road rage incidents that seeks presidential intervention to speed up its ratification. As Armela Las Moras reports.
John Okba has been working as a driver for 21 years now. With his vast experience, he feels like he has been through it all. When he recently watched the viral road rage incident in Antipolo City, he remembered a similar experience but not as severe as this one.
Yung pagpatakbo na paikis-ikis na takbo. So,
Hindi naman lasing?
Hindi naman siguro. Ano lang, parang nilalaro ng yung manubila. Sinitalaw lang siya na wag namang ulitin yung ginagawa niyang pagpatakbong ngayon. So kahit galit siya, kailangan pa rin na payuhan yung isang motorista.
Here at the House of Representatives, Committee on Transportation member and San Jose del Monte, Bulacan Representative Rida Robes is pushing for the immediate passage of the substitute bill aimed at curbing road rage incidents in the country. Under the proposed measure, road rage refers to any aggressive, hostile or violent behavior on the road by motorists or any road user which results to a commission of a crime or offense penalized under the revised penal code. Once enacted into law, motorists will be prohibited from engaging in wild gesturing, cursing or insulting, physical attack, and making threats on the road.
Siyempre yung parusa, hindi bababa ng 250,000 ang babayaran mo penalty. Tapos yung hindi din bababa ng 6 months ang pagkakulong sa parusa. The DOJ will come, the DILG will come, the traffic enforcers and the LGU will help us also to identify bago ito mapunta sa kapulisan. Kung sino man talaga ang nakasakit at nakapatay, no? So yun na.
According to Robes, she will formally request in writing for the President to certify the bill as urgent. As for Senate President Francis Escudero,
hindi ko alam kung may counterpart dito at hindi ko alam kung anong laman ng anti-road rage bill. Dahil yung huling road rage incident sa Antipolo, sinampahan na ng kasong murder yung bumaril. So anong pinagkaiba ng road rage bill na ito? Paano niya mapapadali, paano niya mapapabilis, o paano niya maliliwanag pa yung krimen kung sakasakali.
Mela Las Moras from the National TV Network for a New and Better Philippines.